guys, and welcome to day 10 of our 21 baby steps to a more organized home with the Fly Lady system, SUZY style. Yes, so now today, day 10, is one of the things that I struggle with the most, and that is going to bed at a decent hour. Man, you know, one thing I love about the Fly Lady is that she is very keen on us taking care of ourselves, making sure we get enough rest, because when you are well rested, you are able to actually accomplish more. And so she encourages us to always set up a particular time at which you're going to go to bed and stick to it. And also she says, make sure you don't wait until it is bedtime to do your evening routine, because it is going to delay your bedtime. So as soon as you have dinner, if you can have dinner early, that would be fantastic. We have dinner at 6 o'clock, so I'm able to get on with my evening routine pretty early, and ideally I should be in bed by 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock latest. Now today I really had hoped to be in bed by 11 p.m. Look at the time. I mean, see, this is my life, sister. Now I'm aiming for being in bed before midnight. But it is so hard because I am juggling quite a lot of things. I am fully employed. I have a business to run. I have 4 children. The eldest is 7. I have a home to run. Yes, I have a house, but I'm doing quite a bit of stuff in my own house. So sometimes I do get carried away and I end up sleeping quite late. But I like this 21-day challenge because it is also challenging me to go back to my baby steps and get to bed at a decent hour. She also encourages us to take some time to get into some much needed skincare routine before we get to bed. You guys know how I have been struggling with my face for the last God knows how many months, and now it is starting to look, you know, a bit better. So it is very key for me to make sure that I at least wash my face, if not take a full shower before I get into bed. And also, because I do so much housework and everything, I also have to plug the Queen herself, Queen Elizabeth Cocoa Butter. This is what I use especially for my hands, for all the cleaning that I do basically before I go to bed. So without further ado, let me go to bed. Good night. Remember, if you have not downloaded the checklist, please do so. Take it. This will be part of your evening routine. Obviously, you do go to bed in the evening, right? So make sure you set a time and put it in your evening routine. Let me do that. Let me get into bed. I will see you tomorrow on day number 11. Let me know if you are enjoying this 21-day challenge. And good night, goodbye, God bless, and all that nice, lovely things. Bye. bye.